friends, in the previous video you saw that in order to have a healthy body or to keep our body alive, we need pure air, pure water, pure food and sunlight. If any of these things go inside our body in impure form, then our body gradually start getting sick. And also you have to learn that there are three types of impurities in our body which we are known as gas, acid and mucus or pen. These three types of impurity are caused by more or less 6 juices in our bodies or due to change of season. If you have not seen that video, then you must watch it and then only you will understand all the future video. You have given the link of the previous video in the description box. You can see it by clicking on it. In today's video, we will talk about what are the tasks in Ayurveda has said that should be done immediately and which are the tasks that Ayurveda has said that should never be done. Today we will discuss that. Let us start on today's topic. Dear friends, according to Ayurveda, if you feel hungry, you should leave all works first and take food and never eat food without hunger. Same, when you are thirsty, you should quit all work and drink water first and never drink water without thirst. Same, when you are feeling sleepy, you should leave all works and you should sleep for at least 10 to 20 minutes on the left side. That time does not matter whatsoever. If you are feeling sleepy, you should sleep for 10 to 20 minutes only. Then your body and mind will be refreshed again. Bathing should always be done on an empty stomach. If you have ingested some food, then you should bath at least 45 minutes or an hour and a half after eating. Rancid, rotten, foul-smelling and burnt food should never be eaten. The same juice should not be consumed continuously in large quantities. We should never drink after eating fruits or raw vegetables. Never put too cold or too hot things in the stomach. If you feel stool, urine urge, you should leave all the works first. Pass the stool or urine. Urge of stool urine should never stop because the serious illness in our body is to prevent the urge of stool and urine at least 10 to 20 minutes after feces and urine passing. Something should be eaten or drunk. Similarly, after 10 to 20 minutes of eating, stool, urine should be passed. The urge of sperm flow during intercourse or sex or any other way should never be stopped. That semen should be taken out only. According to Ayurveda, 4 work sets will tell whom the sunrise and sunset of time not to do needed. These 4 works are the work or knowledge study, sleeping, eating, and sex. According to Ayurveda, sunrise and sunset time made for exercise, yoga practice, bathing, and praying time. One should never do any physical or mental work immediately after having food, and physical or mental work should be done after 15 minutes after having food. After meals, you can lie down for 15 minutes your left side of the body and with closed eye or sit in Vajrasana. Vajrasana is a yoga posture. Do not do any mental or physical work immediately after eating and drinking. According to Ayurveda, such things should not be eaten after sunset in which the quantity of water is high, such as cucumber, apple, lemon, watermelon, potato, radish, cold water, fruit juice, or sweet things. Because after the sunset, our gastric remains very slow. One should not eat immediately if the body is too tired, but should take a little rest and eat light food. One should never sleep immediately after having a meal because our digestive system slows down after sleeping. We should never eat more food than necessary because eating more than necessary causes laziness in our body. According to Ayurveda, every person should always keep their teeth, intestine, and mind clean. Who keeps these 3 things clean, the same person is prosperous in future, is happy and able to enjoy life to the fullest. According to Ayurveda, milk and curd should never be taken together. Similarly, never take equal amount of ghee and honey together. Curd should be always be eaten during the day and there should be mix something like honey, butter, cumin powder, etc. And never take pungent things, salt things, bitter things, onion with milk. Honey should always be taken in cold weather and with cold things only. And ghee should always be taken in summer season and with warm things only. Every person should take food only after taking into consideration its gas, acid, mucus, and state of mind. According to Ayurveda, every person should never stop urge of vomiting, gas, sneezing, belching, yawning, and breathlessness. Dear friends, remember 4 rules of Ayurveda to keep always healthy. That 4 rules are: always drink water after morning wake up. Second, don't drink water after eating food. Third, drink water slowly. And fourth and last, never put it very hot or very cold things in stomach, like that very hot tea or coffee or any other food matters, and chilled ice cream or very cold water etc. Dear friends, the above things can be right for a person and may not be good for a person. You will see according to your own, because God has made each person different physically and mentally. No person is the same, but the level of spirit, every person and creatures of the world is the same, and every person is amazing. Friends, if you have any physical and mental illness, you are not getting well and you wish to fix it, then you can consult us, but there are some rules for that. Read the rules carefully and only then contact us without knowing these rules, and then we will not able to help you at all. In next video, we will talk about what is the said in Ayurveda for the treatment of mental illness. We'll talk about that. Tell us how you like today's video. If you have any question related to this video, and then write it in the comment box. I will definitely answer the important question, and if you like the information given by me, then please like it. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe to this channel so that whenever new video come, you will know. Please share this video to your friends and acquaintances so that they also get to know about the Ayurveda and they can also use this knowledge. Thank you very much.